Hi guys, so today we're going to learn how to create a profile picture with Google Slides. So the first thing you need to do is open a new Google slide. So you're going to go to your Rapid Identity, to your Google Drive, and then click New, and Google Slide. So the first thing you need to do is get rid of these two boxes because they're just in our way right now. So click, and then you can either right click delete or you can press the delete button on your keyboard. So now we have a blank space. So we've got a good space to work with. Now, we really want a picture of you. It could be one from your phone, or you could take one with your webcam. So let's say you've got a good picture on your phone. We need to get that into the computer. So you can airdrop it, you can email it to yourself, you can do all different kinds of things. One of the easiest ways that I know how to do is to upload it to your Google Drive. So you can either put your Google Drive on your phone, you can log in with Rapid Identity and take a picture from your phone, drop it into your Google Drive on your phone, or you can put it in your personal Google Drive and then share it to your school Google Drive. But however you get it onto your computer, then when it's on your computer, we want you to save it into your Google Drive. Here's why. If I come over to Insert, an image, so I can upload from my computer. So if I click that, it gives me all the pictures on my computer desktop. So I can insert a picture like that, or I can do Insert Image from my drive or from my photos, from my camera, which would turn on my webcam. But if I say I want to insert one from my Google Drive, then it's going to pull up all the recent photos. And if I've shared it with myself from my personal drive, I'm going to click Shared with Me. So then I have lots of things that were shared with me. But I've got some pictures here. So any of these ways will work. The other thing is if you have Google Photos, you could click Insert a Photo, and all you do once you find your picture over here, you've done Insert from your computer or Insert from Google Drive or Insert from Google Photos. You just click and drag it onto your page. So now we're going to use a picture of Glory. Once I get what I want, I'm going to go File, Download, JPEG. So let me do that again. My picture's here. I like it. It's good. File, Download, JPEG. This downloads it to your computer, which makes it easier to add as a profile picture. The other thing you need to do here is change this title to Profile, Picture. So, when you've done this, you have, so we click and dragged, we got it onto our screen, we downloaded it as a JPEG, and we've saved it as profile picture. Now we want to turn it in on Canvas. So you are going to open your Canvas module that says Zoom Profile Picture, which is going to be down here. And let me do this again. And when you get there, there's going to be a button at the top that says submit. Hang on, it's not going to be here. Leave student view. Okay, so back home. What yours is going to look like is this. So from your modules, you are going to have Zoom profile picture. Click that. It's going to be under Thursday. You're going to click Submit Assignment from Google Drive, and then you're going to choose Profile Picture from your Google Drive. Down here there'll be a Submit button. Click that, and then click Submit. Okay? So now, remember I said File, Download as a JPEG. And I'm going to save it. So now when you go to Zoom, and you click My Account, and if you don't have an account, you can make one. So this picture up here takes you to your settings, and under your settings, there'll be add a picture, and you upload it, and it takes you to your desktop, which is where my profile picture is. Whoops. So I'm going to click open, and then I am going to adjust it so it's how I want it to look. And you guys are going to click save. I'm not going to click save because I already have my profile picture up. And then you can do the same thing in Canvas. So you see up here where it says account. If you click there, you can click profile. Here's my picture. If I click on that, I can upload a picture, choose a picture. I want this picture of Glory. And I can adjust it so that it's her, and then I can click save. Again, I don't want to do that because I like the picture that I have, but you guys are going to click save. So that's what we are doing. Be sure to submit your picture to your English teacher, which for most of you is me, but maybe not. And then let me know if you have any questions.